factor 2y to the fourth minus 32 completely. Which of the following is one factor? Let's begin by factoring completely. The first thing we look for is a common factor, and there is a common factor of 2. So we have 2y to the fourth minus 32 equals 2 times y to the fourth minus 16. That's factoring out the common factor of 2. Now y to the fourth minus 16 is a difference of squares, so we can factor that. That's 2 times y squared plus 4 times y squared minus 4. Before quitting, we ask ourselves, does it factor completely? This is a sum of squares, we can't factor that. This is a difference of squares, and we can factor this. So we write, again, 2 times y squared plus 4. Factoring y squared minus 4, that is y plus 2 times y minus 2. Now the factors are 2, y squared plus 4, y plus 2, y minus 2. Are any of those in this list? Well, yes, y plus 2 is one of those factors. So A is one factor of 2y to the fourth minus 32.